I was this close to quitting coding. Days of bugs, errors I couldn't fix, nothing was working. I remember staring at my screen thinking, maybe coding is not for me. But then something happened that completely changed everything. Coding isn't just about typing random symbols or writing green text like in movies. It's the power to take an idea from your head and make it real. The first time I saw my code actually work, I froze for a second because at that moment I realized I just made something out of nothing. After that moment, I couldn't stop. I started building little things, a calculator, a tic-tac-toe game. Each one gave me this rush of control, the kind that makes you think, what else can I make? But here's the truth, I failed more than I succeeded. I hit errors, broke projects, deleted a ton of files. But still, every time something worked, even the tiniest success, it pulled me back in. That's when I understood that coding isn't about perfection, it's about curiosity, the desire to figure out things. You don't have to be a genius, you just need to keep asking this single question. What if I tried this? That question is what separates the coders who quit from the ones who build something great. Because when you keep going, coding gives you freedom. Freedom to create tools that help people. Freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Freedom to build something at 2 AM just because your idea won't let you sleep. And imagine this, one line of code, one project could be the start of your future. So here's my challenge to you. Build one small project, anything, a game, a website, a calculator, just finish it. Because once you see something you build come to life, you'll understand why coding can change your life forever. Maybe your moment of success is closer than you think.